Hi guys, so I'm doing something a bit different today. We've got a greenhouse as you've seen outside and we need power in it. So I've got this, it's a double socket with the protection built in. So I'm going to be fitting this today. The way I'm going to do it is I'm going to use this thick tough cable because it's going under the ground. So all you have to do basically, so if you look on the back there, they're colour coded earth. Well, you've got your yellow and green, brown and blue. So all you do is colour code those up, put the wires in. Once the wires are in, well, you want to put them through here first. I fasten this to a wooden post. The reason I fastened it to a wooden post is I'm then going to drill this to the greenhouse, this wooden post like that. So this is a cover for this. It goes together like that. So that actually before connecting the wire, you have to put the wire into your case. It's fully waterproof. When it's done, you can shut. When it's done, you can shut this lid and your plugs are in there. So that's what I'm doing, guys. Fitting this into a greenhouse. I'm not a DIY guy, it's not my type of thing, but if I can do it, anyone can do it. So I've got the 3 ends there. I believe I also have to add a 4th wire, which goes to there for the earth. I don't know how that's going to work because it's blooming plastic. Anyway, I've got somewhere around here, I've got some wire strippers. So hi guys, so obviously your wire should be, depends on your country, probably colour coded. The colours are on here. Now the bit I didn't understand, there's 2 earths, one on each side, but from what I know, I've heard you use this earth and then you put 2 wires in this earth because one wants to go to the case for earth. So I've cut another wire to help earth. So really what I want to be doing is twisting these 2 together. They're really strong wires. Like you want to twist these 2, if you can just get them, it'll help. I'm going to put those 2 in the earth, which is, in fact, they've come apart. It doesn't matter if they come apart. I mean, you can, as long as they both go in the earth, and then tighten it down. That one's come out. That's why I wanted to twist it to it. I think I might have to do some more work to that earth wire. I might have to make the end a bit longer, but if I can twist it to this one, it'll be okay. So that's what I'm thinking, is to get either these grippers or something, and I will try to twist them together. So you've got to tighten these down. I'm using an electric screwdriver, which is coming out a lot actually. Out a lot because I can't see. It's very hard to film. There you go. There you go. That's in. I think what I would advise is that when it's in, just do a bit by hand to check it's in. Good. It's in. Right, that's my earth wire is in there. This part is going to go to the earth on there, but I'm not going to do that yet. I'm going to do that last. Now it's just as simple as blue into the blue, brown into the brown. I'll come back when I've done that, guys. Electric screwdriver is okay if you go like slow. If you go fast, it just flies out. Anyway. I think that's it. in. Okay, there's the wires. So they go in where the colours say. Okay, and then you have this one coming off, which is gonna now, I'm gonna fasten this wire into this one here, which might be a bit tricky, but and then you put the back on. So hopefully this wire can get in there, and hopefully it will hold. Very hard to screw in with this. Sometimes it's like, see. Right guys, so this is your finished wiring. Okay, your color coded wires in, and then this big black wire coming off up to there is my earth wire. I might actually re-strip that thinner because it's big and bulky, but if it fits in okay, I don't mind. And then it's screwed onto the wooden post, and the wooden post is then going to be drilled onto the greenhouse. So what I'll do now is I've got to feed all the wire through this hole on the bottom, and then try to push this together. So I'm going to see, because this earth wire, I made it really big and it's a tough wire, so we'll see if I can tuck that in. Hopefully it will. I hope. It's very tough wire, very stiff wire, and if that earth wire will, this is just an experiment. See, I could have made a much shorter earth wire just from there to there, and that would have gone straight in, and that's what I'm thinking to you guys. So if you do this, guys, make a shorter earth wire, I'm going to remake it from there to there, because that's a mistake I've made. That earth wire is too big. So I'll come back in a bit, guys, with a new earth wire. Alright guys, so that big fat earth wire has now become this one, this thin one here. I took it all out, so now it's a thin little one. The other thing is, make sure that you put your wire through the case like this. If you don't put your wire through the case, then you've had it. So you've got your wire through your case ready to pull on, this ready to go on and go together, just that last wire to attach there, and then put a plug on the other end to test it. So that's what I'm going to do now, guys. So it's a bit fiddly on camera, but you push this wire through. So hi guys, right, I managed to get those wires together. I've got the wire coming through the bottom, I've got it attached to the wood, I've attached the 4 corner screws. There's also a lock on this thing, this hole here, this hole over here. So yeah, there. When you shut it, you see you can actually lock that. Right guys, so here we got the greenhouse, and my plan is to drill through here. 1, 2, 3, possibly 4 times, and that will be on the inside here. It'll go up there, and the wire goes down. I cemented all around the bottom of the greenhouse, but there's a gap down. It's actually under that milk. There's a gap down there. I'll fill that with cement once it's fixed in, and the wire will go around and it'll go under the ground and up and into my house. So that's how I'm going to do it, guys. I built this greenhouse. It's pretty sturdy. I will do some, sorry about the noise, there's a lot of kids. I will do some videos on the upgrades, because these windows here are very flimsy. Very flimsy, and it had lots of leaks. You can see silicone there. I did lots of mods, but this video is not about the mods. You can see one there, look. And these screws that I've drilled around the edge. they nip the panels in. Anyway, we'll talk about the mods later. I've done lots of mods to this, hours of mods. Back in a bit, guys. Guys, so yeah, it took me a while. I got the plug on. I drilled a hole through the wood in the corner of my double glazed window, and it goes through there. I'll show you guys. Comes out there, corner of my window. They're old windows anyway. Comes out there. Now it's gonna go down this black wire and under the ground here. It's not underground yet, so it's gonna go underground into the greenhouse there. And then what I did with these, 1, 2, 3 screws, I screwed the wood to the greenhouse, and then what I did was, there it is. The wire comes from down there and up, and it's finished and it's charging. Even the test thing works in the middle. So that's how I did it, guys. I drilled 3 holes. I drilled 3 holes through this, put the wood on the other side, and used screws. These are screws into the wood. So it's a bit wobbly because the metal itself is a bit bendy. But I'm hoping to get some decking inside there, solid decking, and attach it to that. But that's how it's going, the black wire. So yeah, once it's underground and pinned to the wall, of course, I'm not going to leave it like that. It's going to be pinned to the wall. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's how I attached my plug, and this goes down. This plug's too big to show you, but on a normal plug, you shut that down and you can lock it. Alright, guys, that's enough from my greenhouse for now. I mean, this light can be plugged in now. Yeah, still doing work to it. A lot to do, as you can see. Catch you later.